Hi everybody, I'm April from gettingmyacttogether.com, and I am going through the 30-day decluttering challenge, and today we are on day 18, linen closet, and we're going to be in my linen closet. Now, I wanted to reiterate that I am not coming at this challenge from the end of it. I am in the middle of it, and please don't expect my whole house to look perfect and perfectly decluttered already, because it's not. I'm in the process of getting it that way, and I'm inviting you to join me on my journey, and we'll encourage one another in this, because that's where I'm at. Anyway, so today I'm on this linen closet, and as you can see, there's a lot more than just linens in this closet, because I keep most of the linens in the bathrooms. This is just a few of the sheets, and try not to keep way too many sheets, because space, you know. So anyway, I'm going to work on these, and we're going to work on these shelves, and I'm going to plan to do this for 10 minutes. So you can pick 10 or you can pick 15 minutes. I'm going to pick 10 because I want to go Christmas shopping today. And I've been putting this off for a while. Like I have, but I do have a whole cleaned off top shelf. I'll show you, because it doesn't look cleaned off at all, does it? Well, okay, look, there's space. There's actual space. Instead of just all stuff crammed, because we've been using the humidifier that used to go up there, and we actually replaced it because it wasn't working very well. And now we have a much smaller one that will fit into that space much more neatly, and I'm excited about that. Anyway, so decluttering, yay. This is one of those things where I actually do want to pull everything off a shelf and then decide what goes back in, but not the whole closet at once, because I'll never finish that and I'll just be left with a mess. We don't want to be left with a mess. So I'm going to make it my goal to finish the top 2 shelves. The top 3. It would be great if I could finish the top 3 shelves, but in order to do that, I'm going to need some supplies. I'm going to step ladder so I can see up there, and I'm going to need a trash can and a giveaway bag. I don't see anything right off the bat that I can give away, but I might. Anyway, so I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to get my supplies. Okay, I scooted it further back, so hopefully you can see more of the top shelves that I'm working on. Anyway, we buy deodorant in bulk because we have a lot of teenage boys, and those are all important, and they get to stay in the closet, right? And then let's see what else we got in this closet. So there went my whole tripod. Varnish. We're gonna move that to downstairs. That's what we're gonna do with varnish. Okay, and then we got this. Turned out to be a very ineffective carpet cleaner. He bought it to work on my son's truck that we bought used and could use some cleaning, and he was disappointed in that, so just letting you know. Now the next is sheets that are shoved so far back that I would never be able to reach them. So I'm gonna fix that. And I do have my timer going. Hopefully soon you'll hear it go off. But right now I'm going to fix my tripod and get these sheets out of here. I got the sheets out. And this is actually a whole set of sheets and a bunch of pillowcases, which would be nice to have in a more reachable location. So I think I'm gonna try to bring them down a shelf. I'm gonna set them here for now. And extra toilet paper doesn't actually go in here. It's currently in there because we actually had space, but it's not where I want it. Okay. All right. Then we have, okay, so this is twins. This is twins. I think this is twins. Yeah, this is more twins. And I'm going to go through these sheets. Okay, so I got hot and I had to take off a layer. Anyway, the sheets are more nicely arranged now. They're not as neat looking as I'd like them to be. Maybe some of you have tips for how to stack sheets more neatly. Now I'm into the 3rd shelf. So I was hoping to get to the 3rd shelf. Makes me really excited I got the 3rd shelf. And it is like really important medicine stuff. Like this is asthma supplies. I didn't even know I owned this and I needed this last year. It's the kind of stuff, you know? And so anyway, that's a good thing to go. These are good things that I have, and I just don't even know that I have them. I don't even know what this is. It doesn't do me any good if I have no idea what it is. Sometimes there's at least an expiration date, and that'll validate me throwing it away. I do keep expired medicines. I don't throw away good stuff just because it's expired. But if it's something I don't even know what it is and it's expired, yeah, I'm gonna throw it away. So just going through these. Most of you probably don't have medicines in your linen closet, but I do. They're not super, I wish they were more organized, but at least I know this is where the asthma supplies are, and then some other random stuff, and I'm gonna add to it. I'm gonna add, because I've got like a lot of loose medicines in here, and I'm just gonna consolidate and add. And let toothpaste and stuff like that have its own container. Q-tips, cleaning supplies, you know, it's all so thrown in here together. That at least is a medicine. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to consolidate more of this medicine stuff so that at least it makes some sense. I have like containers for cold medicines, like I had that divided, but it's hard to keep the family putting everything in the right container, so a lot of times they don't stay divided. I set my timer for 11 minutes when I was gathering all my supplies, and I can hear it going off now. So I'm just going to finish this. I really would like to finish the third shelf, like that bothers me, but at least I got this done. And I'm gonna put these medicines, they're all nicely in one bucket, and I actually freed up, oh, there's a bucket under there I didn't know I had that wasn't being used. So since I have actually gone through this, I'm gonna let it move to that top shelf, and now I've freed up mad serious space. So you can see my top shelf. Ah, ah, ah. Anyway, that one's not so much awe. The third shelf still has a lot of work to do on it. And, oh, that's what's gonna take up the rest of my 15 minutes. I have huge piles of stuff that go to other rooms because I did not bring a laundry basket like for stuff that goes to other rooms or anything. I didn't put anything in a giveaway bag. I did throw away a few expired things. But yeah, this is my, my unscientific pile. And I know where all these things go, and they don't go here. So, and I think I was just lazy when I put them away and I shoved them into that closet. So those are the hardest kind of spaces. I'm not gonna be able to get that back in there. Anyway, thanks for your patience with my low budget video making of the decluttering challenge. I will try to do better tomorrow. I hope that you get some decluttering done today. I hope you get to work on a linen closet or a hallway closet or whatever, you know, needs to be done in your home. And I hope you'll visit my website, gettingmyactogether.com, and download some of my printables to help you with your decluttering challenge. I have the complete list on there that you can, I have a calendar format on the original 30-day decluttering challenge post. And then I also have the list on every single day's post so that you can print it out. Anyway, so I hope you'll join me, and I'll see you tomorrow.